Have you ever wished for something absolutely free? Free success? Free happiness? Free English fluency? It sounds wonderful, doesn't it? But deep inside, you already know the truth. In life, nothing is truly free. Everything valuable demands something in return. Sometimes it's effort. Sometimes it's time. Sometimes it's your comfort. Today's story will teach you this lesson in a way you'll never forget. So, relax, listen carefully, and repeat the phrases when you can. Because this isn't just an English story. It's a story about life, learning, and the real cost of success. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green fields and small hills, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was curious, bright, and full of dreams. He wanted to become successful, maybe even rich one day. But he had one big weakness. He hated working hard. Sam always looked for shortcuts. He believed that smart people never worked too much. He often said to his friends, "Why waste time? There must be an easier way." At school, he never studied properly. Instead, he copied answers from his classmates. When his teacher gave homework, he tried to find it on the internet or asked others to do it for him. And when people around him worked hard, Sam laughed and said, "You people don't understand life. I'll find success the easy way." One sunny morning, Sam was walking to school when something caught his eye. By the side of the road sat an old man with a small wooden table. On the table lay a pile of bright, shiny apples. Above the apples, a cardboard sign read, "Free apples. Take one." Sam's face lit up. "Finally," he said to himself, "something free and beautiful." He rushed to the table and picked the biggest, reddest apple. It looked perfect, as if it had just fallen from heaven. He took a big bite, and immediately his face twisted in disgust. The apple was rotten inside, soft, sour, and full of worms. The old man looked at Sam and smiled kindly. "My boy," he said, "nothing in this world is truly free. If you want a good apple, you must climb the tree and pick it yourself." Sam frowned. "But the sign said free apples." The old man laughed softly. "Yes," he said, "the sign was true. The apples are free. But the good ones? They're still up there, waiting for someone willing to climb." Sam walked to school silently. The taste of the rotten apple stayed in his mouth, bitter and unforgettable. All day long, he kept thinking about what the old man had said. That evening, he told his mother the story. Her mother smiled gently and said, "The old man was right, Sam. Everything that has value comes with effort. Even love, even learning, even success. You must give something to get something." Sam didn't say anything, but her words stayed in his heart. The next day, while going to school, Sam noticed something new. A few of his classmates were cleaning the school garden. They were working hard, planting flowers, pulling weeds, fixing broken fences. Sam thought, why are they doing that? They won't even get paid. But later that day, the teacher thanked those students in front of everyone. She gave them small rewards and called them the pride of the school. The class clapped for them. Sam felt a strange feeling inside. Something like regret. He had spent that same time playing games on his phone, and now he realized he had gained nothing. That night, he whispered to himself, "Maybe hard work isn't such a bad thing after all."
The next morning, Sam joined the students in the garden. At first, he felt awkward. The sun was hot, his hands got dirty, his back hurt. He thought of quitting many times, but then he remembered the rotten apple and the old man's smile. So, he kept working. Slowly, something began to change. He started enjoying the sound of the birds, the smell of fresh soil, and the joy of seeing the flowers bloom. After a few days, when the garden finally looked beautiful, the teacher smiled and said, "See, Sam, when you work with your hands, you create beauty. When you work with your heart, you grow." For the first time in his life, Sam felt proud not of what he had, but of what he did. Weeks passed. Sam became more responsible. He studied, helped others, and stopped searching for shortcuts. One day, the teacher announced an English speech competition. The topic was, "Nothing is free." The whole class laughed. "Sam, this topic is for you," they teased. Sam smiled. He knew they were right. At first, he was nervous. He had never spoken in front of a crowd before, but he decided to try. He practiced every day, reading English aloud, watching English videos, listening carefully to pronunciation, and repeating. He made mistakes, many mistakes, but he didn't give up. He worked hard, just like he worked in the garden. Finally, the big day came. Sam walked to the stage, his heart pounding. He looked at the crowd and began. "My name is Sam, and today I want to tell you something I learned the hard way. Nothing in life is free. When I was younger, I wanted everything, without effort. But one day, I learned that only hard work makes things valuable." He told the story of the old man and the apple. He spoke slowly, clearly, and confidently. When he finished, everyone clapped loudly. Sam didn't just win the competition. He won respect, confidence, and belief in himself. From that day on, Sam changed. He stopped running from effort. He realized that hard work, patience, and learning were the real keys to success. When his friend said, "You're wasting time," Sam smiled and replied, "No, I'm investing time." He began studying English seriously, listening, reading, speaking, and writing. He didn't expect quick results. He knew progress takes time. And guess what? Slowly, his English improved. He could speak more clearly. He understood what he heard in movies. And most importantly, he enjoyed the journey. Now, my friend, think about your own life. Do you want to learn English faster? Do you want to speak fluently and confidently? Then remember Sam's story. There are no free apples. There are no free skills. Every word you learn, every mistake you correct, every day you listen and repeat, it all matters. Each small effort becomes a step toward your success. So keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. Because one day, when you speak English fluently, you'll smile and remember, it wasn't free, but it was worth it. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new today, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring English stories every week. Here, we help you learn English through storytelling, emotion, and real-life lessons. Because when learning feels real, it becomes unforgettable. Keep practicing, keep growing, and always remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.